Hi, I'm Auntie Dawn. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making honey-basted eggs. These delicious and decadent eggs were reportedly Albert Einstein's favorite. He had very good taste. These eggs are very quick to make for how delicious they are. So I'm going to start by having the vent fan on, and I'm going to turn the heat under my smaller frying pan to medium. Now I've got my ingredients for 2 people. That's 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of salted cultured butter, a sprinkle of salt, and honey. I'm going to leave the lid on as it warms up. That way, when I go to put the eggs in, it will help hold the heat in and it's not going to suck a bunch of heat out in order to get itself warm. Now that the pan is good and warm, I'm going to add my butter. Now I'm going to crack in my eggs. I want there to be at least a little bit of space in the butter between each egg because that's where the magic happens. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt, sprinkle that over the eggs, and now I'm going to cover it up. Now that the egg whites are starting to firm up, I'm going to add my honey. So I'm adding it to the space in between the eggs where it can dissolve in the butter. If I add it on top of the eggs will insulate the honey and it won't melt. This is not an exact recipe, so you just put in as much as you like depending on how sweet you like your eggs and how big your eggs are. You can see that it's already starting to melt here where I added it first. It's going to help it along a little bit. Now, this is why I'm using a scoopy spatula, because I'm going to now use this to baste the eggs. This boiling honey butter both helps the eggs set and imparts a delicious sweet flavor. Thank you, bees. Now I'm going to turn it down to very low and cover them up. Now that the eggs are done, it's time to spoon them out. So I'm going to spoon out each one into a small bowl. 2 to a customer. Now I'm going to scoop up all this delightful honey butter and pour it out over each egg. I hope you enjoy these eggs as much as I do. See you next time.